today was the meeting of the District Tobacco Control Coordination Committee, chaired by the Additional Collector 2, and some important decisions were taken. One is that the tobacco-free campaign, which has to be implemented in all the village panchayats for South Goa district. We have made a request today to write to the Government of India to give us extension of time, because the ZP elections and all will be there. So the panchayat personnel will be very busy, and in that regard we have sought extension of time. At the same time, there is the tobacco-free youth campaign, which is to be implemented in colleges, higher secondaries. So that campaign also we have requested today to extend the time. Now, very importantly, that this campaign is important for South Goa district, because if the panchayats which are issuing the trade license to various agencies, establishment, if they can declare that tobacco free by seeing that Section 4 boards are displayed in all the establishment, it will be very good for the enforcement squad, which is headed by the Joint Mamledar and Mamledar. We have also emphasized today with Tourism Department. See, there are many hotels, 5-star, 3-star, different hotels, shacks, etc., which are registered under Tourism Department. Now it is very difficult for them to do the inspections. So what we have proposed, that when you are issuing the license, you take the compliance report from them with a photograph that the boards are put. Once the compliance report is there, that will become very easy for action to be taken. Now what happens, they will have to go to each and every place to inspect. One day the board may be there, next day the board may not be there. So Tourism Department has assured that they will issue an advisory for each taluka to implement the no smoking signages in all the tourism establishment. Then we have also highlighted today to Additional Collector that these bus stands now, they are in the purview of KTC Limited. So we have asked that all the bus stands have to be made tobacco-free area. That means nobody should sell, nobody should distribute, or nobody should consume. And this can be done by putting the proper signage. First of all, the signage itself is not there. So this will cover all the bus stands, right from Margaon to Kankon.